dog had run down the street here and it's bitten 3 massive dogs. I think I'm feeling a bit shocked, to be honest. I mean, I've seen rabid dogs before and it's frightening. This is what it's all about, you know, finding these dogs, protecting these people, protecting the other dogs. This is exactly why we're here.
Death as a consequence of rabies is one of the most unpleasant, distressing deaths that you could possibly have.
As soon as you see the first symptoms of rabies, even the very first one, a tingling in the hands or a child becoming slightly disorientated, then death is inevitable.
Amasanza okhala ngati
lumene kunkapezeka kuti fena zapitano kuti
chithandizo kuti mwanayo akhalenso ndi moyo, koma ndinali okhuzidwa kwambiri tapita chipatala doko, komanso pamene chiwewe chilibe mankhwala muzingodikira tsiku.
The patients who are admitted here in this cell will die within 48 to 72 hours, even in spite of treatment.
What you should expect is death in no time.
Pamene tinkapita feo chipatala tikafuna chani chithandizo cha mwana, ndiye mwana ingatsana ndiye chithandizo kukhumudwa kulipo mumtima, ngatsana mwana mamuna muzemwe.
These kids go out to the puppies have rabies, they bite the kids, story over, that's it. Child dies every hour because of rabies in India. And what we're doing is protecting those dogs, most importantly, protecting these kids.
Well, Dogs Trust is partnering with Mission Rabies to deliver mass vaccination campaigns in some of the rabies hotspots of the world.
We want to vaccinate your dogs for free against rabies. Nearly all human cases of rabies are caused by dog bites, so we're working with local organisations and governments to run mass canine vaccination programmes in global rabies hotspots. And what's fantastic is we've got international teams all coming together to catch and vaccinate as many dogs as possible.
There's a great energy in the project, but it's essential that we do this in a scientific way and vaccinate 70% of the dog population and cut that disease cycle.
Having scientific proof and support is the absolute bedrock of the Mission Rabies approach.
Without the collaboration of both hospital, public health doctors and the veterinary services, we've got no hope of curing rabies.
These guys here, they work for the training centre which Dogs Trust have funded and helped us really, get going. Without them, none of this happens.
It was kind of fear of the unknown. You're not really sure what you're going to go into, but it's been better than anything I thought it was going to be.
And being able to sort of do pioneering work like this and also representing Dogs Trust is such a cool opportunity.
People are presenting dogs to us for vaccination and are desperate for help as well. I think a great thing for Mission Rabies and for Dogs Trust is sort of educating the people about what we're doing here.
Doesn't matter where we work in the world, one of the key things to the success of these projects and their sustainability is winning over the local communities, making sure they understand what we're doing and why.
To come back years later to see that these families are actually still experiencing the same grief as if it has just occurred the same day, I feel as a medical practitioner we have let this family down.
I see many children die, and it's always distressing to watch children die with a disease that you know was completely preventable.
It's entirely preventable by vaccination of dogs and by post-exposure vaccination of adults and children that are bitten. Sadly, both of those things have been lacking in Malawi, so a lot of people die unnecessarily here.
Mission Rabies, I think, has given the NGOs the opportunity to dream a big dream, to reach for something which perhaps is difficult.
Mission Rabies is a ray of light in a situation of darkness, and I'm so grateful for it.
We are delighted to have the input of Mission Rabies, that we would see so many children potentially saved.
If everybody join hands together, they will definitely achieve this goal of eradication of rabies from India soon.
And they say in unity there is strength, in unity there's amazing strength. And I think we have to make this program a genuine success.
We're going to show that rabies can be prevented through mass vaccination drives, through our education projects.
We can't change the world, but what we can do is fight this corner. And that's our corner, it's our corner to champion, do everything we can. And we can and will make a difference in this.